It pho symbolizes Vietnamese cuisine. This dish embodies the nation's soul, culture, and traditions, an essential Tet offering on ancestral altars. This is
Banh originates from an ancient legend of Prince Lang Liu, the 18th son of King Hung. Tasked to create a dish embodying gratitude and nature, he crafted Banh, symbolizing earth, and Banh Day, symbolizing the heavens. His thoughtful creations won the king's favor, making Banh a symbol of respect for nature in Vietnam.
Today, Banh is a traditional Tet dish used to honor ancestors, or a meaningful gift to give family members. The process of making Banh is eagerly anticipated each year, as it's a time for families to come together. The process involves 3 main stages. First, gather the ingredients, including glutinous rice, mung beans, pork belly, and dong leaves. Each ingredient is carefully cleaned and seasoned for extra flavor. Next, the cake is packed. This is the most delicate step. A layer of dong leaves is laid out, followed by rice, beans, pork, more beans, and rice again. The leaves are then folded tightly to create a square shape, secured with bamboo strings. Finally, the cakes are boiled in large pots for 8 to 10 hours. Families take turns watching the fire and sharing stories, creating a warm and memorable atmosphere. When done, the cake is cooled and ready to serve. Alongside Banh Tet is another Tet essential. Both share similar ingredients and preparation, but differ in some points. Banh, square and representing the earth, is common in northern Vietnam, while Banh Tet, cylindrical and symbolizing the sky, is popular in the south. Both are delicious and showcase Vietnam's cultural diversity. And that's the story of Banh. Hopefully, it inspires you to appreciate the uniqueness and deep meaning of Vietnamese cuisine and traditions.